Hey guys, just back with another quick tutorial. Today I'm just gonna cover the Yucatan Knot. I hope I pronounced that right, but I've heard it called a couple of different things. So Yucatan, but it's a very simple knot, great for anyone like me that struggles with tying like an FG or um, just want to try a different option. I do tend to use Slim Beauty a lot. That's probably my go-to knot at the moment. But this one is a very I enjoy tying this knot because it's so different in a way of saying with how it actually locks down. It's really cool to tie. So I have actually started using it a fair bit more. It hasn't really let me down. A little bit more drag on the guides, so I might try and modify it a little bit and see if I can get it smoother. But this is just a demonstration. This is how I was shown. It's definitely worth a try if you're looking for a new knot. So with this, you double up your braid or your main line, and then you literally just cross it over your leader. You want to do about 8 wraps, but don't limit it to it. Like, play with it. Like if you're using lighter line, you obviously need more wraps. I would do probably 10 to 12 on lighter line. So have enough to be comfortable. So I've done 8 wraps for demonstration. I would personally probably do more. Sometimes it does this on me where I can't get that little loop on the end open. Alright. So you then feed your tag end back through that part of the loop, and you want to pull it and try and keep, in a way of saying, that part of the line out of the knot until it starts to pull down like that on the end. So you'd obviously wet this all down now, and that's as you start to put pressure. So, and as it starts to, now you'll see it's starting to almost like twist and start to interlock. You should be alright then to let go of your tag end. Once again, obviously make sure you've wet this all down. So as it starts to twist like that, as you let go of your tag end, it's when you want to really start to put a bit of pressure. And you can see just like that how it wraps and bites on itself like so. It's so cool. I would personally, like that is the knot. You'd then just trim off your leader. Cut it as close as you can, like so. I personally do like a couple of half hitches. I just like to build the backside of a knot just because I find it's just easier. I don't really get my knots caught casting. It's more like retrieving because I feed quite a lot of leader onto my rod. So I'd do a couple of half hitches just over the back, but you don't have to. That's just my personal preference. And then if you want to cut this, I normally would leave just a little bit because it frays. I wouldn't want the fray to go into the actual knot. But that's it there, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Get out there and catch more fish.